Meaning of envy.
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 Envy. Envy is a feeling of discontent or resentment aroused in someone by another person's possessions, qualities, or luck. It can lead to negative emotions such as bitterness, jealousy, and even spiteful behavior towards the object of envy or others who possess similar attributes. Envy can also negatively impact one's own mental and emotional well-being, leading to low self-esteem and dissatisfaction with one's own life. Ultimately, envy often results in a destructive cycle of comparison and competition that can be harmful to individuals and relationships.